right U. Draw the eyes. Draw the nose and mouth. Draw the ears. Draw the hair. Draw eyebrow. Draw 2 lines. Draw 3 small circles. Connect to curves. Draw 3 dots. Draw the neck. Draw 2 short lines. Draw 4 lines. Connect the lines. Draw 2 curves. Draw the sleeves. Draw 3 circles. Draw upside down V. Draw 2 curves again. Draw the pants and shoes. Draw star shape. Finally add colors. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.